Hey, what's up guys? Justin with 21 Tactical. Today we're going to take a look at the Orion Solaris. Now, I've been wanting to get my hands on this knife for a couple of months now, and it just arrived last week, so I've actually had a little bit of time to familiarize myself with it. Now, for those who don't know, this was actually designed by a buddy of mine, David, who runs the channel Blade Banter. If you look real closely, you can see the Orion symbol with the 3 stars, which those 3 stars actually represent his 3 sons, which I thought was just totally cool because, I mean, how many times do you get a chance to leave a legacy for your children? I mean, come on, in a knife, come on, that's the perfect thing. But anyway, now the overall length on this guy is 7.84 with a blade of 3.17 and a width of 1.33. The close length or handle length is 4.68 with a width of 1.39 and the weight is 4.750. Great EDC weight. I literally have zero complaints about this knife. I usually find at least one thing with a knife that I don't like or, kind of feels weird to me. But this knife, oh man, it's a great knife. And I honestly cannot wait to see it in the carbon fiber and jade. Now, compared to, let's say, the Manix 2, it's right around the same size as that bad boy, so it's a larger size knife, I guess you could say. Now, it is about, I don't know, 5/8 of an inch shorter than the Shaman, which also is a big knife. But, honestly, it carries well, and that's one thing I definitely like about it. The action is just super, super fidgety. I have literally no complaints about this knife. Now, all stainless steel hardware, has a nice stainless steel clip, which I actually really, really dig the clip. It makes for a comfortable carry, that's for sure. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram for much, much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.